Yeah, electric's definitely a big thing. HVAC, and then any kind of plumbing. Because if you can't bring water in, then obviously you can't grow crops.
Yeah, the biggest challenge we came, most of it was ready, like Andy said, to move in. But biggest challenge is getting the water to the racks, and having the proper hose to get over there. And where's that going to be hooked up at? We lucky this one space is not too far from where we're at, but it was a kind of a challenge to figure out exactly how to get that water over and using a real hose and everything else like that. So luckily we've been very fortunate with that, and sealing up garage doors, that weren't sealed up properly that's in the warehouse space. Them were our two biggest challenge when moving. And like Andy said, everything doubled in price.
Yeah, and that's the other challenge when you've got like garage doors and exterior doors and stuff like that. I mean, you got to make sure that you're not letting insects in, rodents in, all that kind of stuff.